So this is where Claire and I are staying in Hoi An. Quite a nice place actually. So we paid, to be fair, we did get a deal on this because Claire is a Genius member on booking.com. Or was it Agoda that you booked this through? Booking.
Oh, it was Agoda actually.
It was Agoda, so she had a load of points to use and she actually got this room for £9 for 2 nights. But it's pretty good actually. It's probably one of the biggest rooms that we've been in so far. Bathroom's pretty small. Does the job though. But yeah, room wise, my manoeuvrability is not fantastic right now because I've got a giant pack on my back, as you can see. But yeah, it's pretty good, not too bad. We've even got air conditioning, got a fan, cable channels, so we're watching all sorts of films. It was good. And a fridge as well. And this place is definitely set up to cater for tourists. It's got all sorts of different tours that you can do here via this hotel, or this homestay even. It's really, really nice. What's the name of this? It's called Dream Flower Homestay is the name. And I'll stick a link in the description below for those of you who want to visit Hoi An and stay somewhere relatively cheap and still very homely.
This is how the Vietnamese celebrate that they're in the final of a football cup.
Ladies, gents, everyone else. Today's the 11th of December. We're in a new place, we're in a new city. This is Nha Trang, welcome. It is 6:18 in the morning, we just watched the sunrise. We got dropped off by our bus at 3:20 this morning. It was supposed to come in at 6:20, but no, it dropped us at 3:20, so you can imagine how happy Claire was. Anyway, we're now on a hunt for breakfast because we've not eaten since 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Usually the long buses, they will let you stop half an hour to have some food, but we stopped twice in 9 hours for 20 minutes in total, 10 minutes each stop. If you guys want to book a bus journey, don't go through Sin Tourist. They are literally awful, especially from Hoi An to Nha Trang. That was a terrible journey. But this is beautiful. I'm really enjoying this so far. Really, really nice. Even though we got dropped off at 3:21 in the morning, there was a silver lining. We got to see this absolutely unreal sunrise. Look at that. Fantastic. This is our homestay. This is Annie's Stay Homestay in Nha Trang. It was actually really nice. Definitely worth the money. Highly recommended if you're staying in Nha Trang. We didn't do too much filming whilst here because Claire and I came down with a really weird bug. And we spent most of our time just in the room and then went out for supplies as and when we needed. So not too much footage in Nha Trang, unfortunately.
Good morning all. Good morning. Today's the day we head to Saigon. It's the 14th of December, which I think is a Saturday because I believe there's football playing today. And at the minute I'm trying to hunt down the bus that we're getting. I say a bus. It's actually a luxury limo by the company 3S Limo. I say limo, not a conventional English limo, no, of course not. It's a 16-seater van-based limo with big old reclining seats and TV screens in it. Anyway, that's picking us up at around about 7 o'clock this morning and it's taken us to Ho Chi Minh, and it's about a 10-hour journey and we're with 16 others including us. It's not bad. I think after the last trip that we had, Claire was really happy about that journey, of course. In fact, she was so happy she gave the booking company a 1 star and told them to buck up their ideas for telling us that the bus got in at 6 in the morning even though it got in at 3 in the morning. Anyway, we've paid £4 extra this time and we're going to go with something a bit more luxurious. Much to Claire's pleasure this time. Signing off for now. Take it easy. Oh, hello guys. Welcome back. I found the reply button. I promise that wasn't me. It's like me at View Cinema.
was pretty good. What do you think, Claire?
Good.
Score out of 10?
10 out of 10. But we'll see.
I'm really looking forward to seeing what this is about. There's games on there and all sorts of stuff. I don't know how you're going to play a game on there, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Anyway, have a good one. Those scores on the doors. Nha Trang, 3 out of 10. Hoi An, 10 out of 10. Honestly, if you're going anywhere in Vietnam, make sure you stop in Hoi An. That place is like dreamland. It's like Disneyland. It's a fantastic place. Nha Trang, though, didn't really do it for me. I know we're ill through most of it, but point is, it wasn't really that great. It certainly wasn't as good as it was cracked up to be. Anyway, signing off for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take it easy.